Alright, I just made 2 half-pound burgers, although I just found out they weren't half-pound. And I have some Pepperidge Farm deli flats that were frozen. I just frosted them on the pan. But I am cooking my burgers on them. I got some ShopRite shredded sharp cheddar. And guess what? I have not nuked anything for decades, excluding popcorn, sponges, and jars I'm about to put into the refrigerator after I install fluid in them, no matter what fluid it is, even jellies, sauces, whatever. So I want to nuke this. I have no idea, so we're going to try it. All right, in 55 seconds, I got cheddar cheese cheesy bread. I got my burgers cooking in the background. It's almost time to flip them. 55 seconds. That one didn't do so well. Good, good. Actually, great, great. But it's melted. Oh well. Gotta flip my burgers.